Alright, here we go again, guys. Subterfuge box break number 535. It's a bin. Team Canada from last night. Sold out. Thanks, guys. So we got Donald and Hazy and Todd and Phyllis and Warren and Crow and Chappie, Todd and Aaron. And we had Donald and Crow with 5+ bonus. I gave away darts for the last 4 teams, so Phyllis gets 1 and Crow gets 3. Crow and Taz are getting dart listings too. That's what the asterisk means. And Chris is in there. Hammond's in this one. 420. Some Lucky Dog. Some more Warren and Flyers Takedown. So, Gem and Stinker went to Warren. He's not here. I'm going to roll the dice for fresh. There's only 2 gone from this Gem and Stinker reload, so we're going to see what we get for Warren. Lands on Anaheim, which is number 1, as you all know. It looks like Boston on the video, but it's definitely Anaheim. So, number 1 for Warren is right there. Yeah, I think you just get darts, but unless I screwed up. You got a stinker, but oh, it's the wrong one. Too bad. It's not bad. Ice Grips of Yaroslav Halak. Trilogy Ice Grips. There's actually the Trevor Linden's in there too. Would have been nice if you got the Trevor Linden. I think the Trevor Linden's in there. Don't quote me. And we're gonna start pulling darts. So, free darts to, I'll move this out of the way. Free dart to Donald. You got a 1111. Phyllis, free dart for one of the last 4 teams. You got a 4. Crow for 5+. You got a double bull. And Crow, 3 more for the last 3 teams. You get a 19. Doing well. Double 1. And a 12. Yeah, there's always gems in there. There's some awesome gems in there. And now Crow gets 3 for the guaranteed listing, and Taz gets 3. So Crow, 111 again, double 15, and 222 for your pile, and 3 for Taz. Triple 3 for Taz, 10 for Taz. And a single 17. Yeah, well, the average price is $8, so they can't all be awesome. There's some really high-end stuff in there. And all the shenanigans are now done. Let's move on to our box. Ending in 055. That's posted. Nope. Yeah, you got triples galore. And now let's hope to pull another 101 or short print auto. I pulled 2 101s from this stuff already. I pulled a couple short print autos. So the last one was Daryl Sittler out of 5. Pretty awesome. Well, I think the most expensive card in that reload is, I forget. Quit talking, more breaking. Starting off with base, awesome. Yeah. More base. Saving the good stuff to the end. 16 left in the bin, 8 in the multi, guys. More base. We're getting rid of the base. For the Philadelphia Flyers, special edition. Going to Chris. Hartnell down. Scott Hartnell. Want some? I've already pulled the lot and autograph one time, I think. Ashton. Cassian. Program of Excellence for the Edmonton Oilers and Crow. Taylor Hall. Base. More base. Nice. The Phoenix Coyotes and Phyllis cleaning up one of the last 3 teams. I believe it's Phoenix. Mike Ribeiro. Autograph. I'll forget where he's playing. I'm pretty sure it's Phoenix. Hey, speak of the devil. Nice. High gloss for the Philadelphia Flyers out of 10. Scott Hartnell. See, you diss him, and he brings up a high gloss. There you go, Philly. Nice hit. The Toronto Maple Leafs and Donald Carter Ashton Program of Excellence. And for the New York Islanders, Thomas Hickey. Special edition. Going to downtown. Oh, everybody does stuff in the heat of battle. Hockey is an emotional game. I once beat a guy with a water bottle. Hey, Scott Lawden, I'll just put that into the pile and send it to Chris. For the Dallas Stars and Todd, Scott Glennie Program of Excellence. This box needs some help. We need an awesome auto or something here. Clear cut or something. Come on, Team Canada. And for the St. Louis Blues and Donald, Jaden Schwartz. Cool. Scott Glennie, yeah, it's a lot in base. I threw it in your pile. I happened to notice it, so I threw it in the hit pile. One more autograph in here somewhere, I think. Yeah, it's a good hit. Any high gloss is good. Program of Excellence for the New York Islanders, John Tavares. We've got an autograph behind it. It is. Oh, no. The third time I pulled this guy. It's going to Donald. Jonathan, man, I'm a Sevier. Or Jonathan Bernier. Autograph. So, and we're on 16s for this break, so that Bernier gets you a double 16, I forgot to mention. Maybe now Reimer will get a chance. See that Bernier let in like 12 horrible goals in a row. Oh, what's here? Nice. Hazy, I just made your day. One of the Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr exclusives out of 100. Should have another exclusives in here too. Well, that's the clear cut or the high gloss counts. So, and special edition going to the Islanders in downtown. John Tavares. 2 packs left, guys. We get a third auto. Nope. And nada. So there we go. That wasn't a horrible box. So thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you.